Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your Ripple investments with eToro, full guide step by step clearly. To secure your Ripple investments with eToro, start by creating an account on their platform. Visit the eToro website and click on the Join Now button. Fill in the required personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Choose a strong password that includes a combination of letters, numbers, and special characters. Once your account is set up, verify your identity by submitting the necessary documentation. This typically includes a government-issued ID and proof of address. After verification, log into your eToro account using your credentials. Navigate to the Portfolio section to view your current investments. To buy Ripple, use the search bar at the top of the page to type in XRP or Ripple. Select Ripple from the search results to access its trading page. Review the current price and market trends to make informed decisions. When you're ready, click on the Trade button to open the order window. Input the amount of Ripple you wish to buy, ensuring you stay within your investment limits. Set any additional options, such as stop loss or take profit levels for added security. Once everything looks good, confirm your trade to complete your purchase. To further secure your investments, consider setting up two-factor authentication on your eToro account. This adds an extra layer of protection by requiring a second form of verification. Regularly monitor your Ripple investments by checking the Portfolio section. Stay updated with market news and trends that may impact Ripple's performance. Consider diversifying your investments to mitigate risk, investing in various cryptocurrencies. Always have a clear exit strategy in mind for when to sell or hold your Ripple investments. Keep your login credentials private and avoid sharing them with anyone. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Ripple investments with eToro. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.